I have no idea what's in this box. It is locked. Let's see how fun today's show is gonna. You guys are not nice. So I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas and they gave me mural brushes. Really? So this is the micro mini detail brush set. So let's just for scale here. This is the tiniest brush ever. Here's my hand.
Giant pencils.
I feel like a child. Alright, I just need to get this sort of wet. That's probably way too much water. But there's not a whole lot I could do about that. This is ridiculous. At least I can cover the canvas real fast. This is the hardest thing to handle. Ha! Texture.